Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and it's 95 degrees here. It's 85 in my apartment with the doors open. And this is the first of many Burgh unboxing today. Now I got this thing that says fragile, do not drop. I don't know what it is. I don't remember buying anything fragile. I just stabbed myself. Kathy left here about an hour ago. No, about 3 o'clock. It's 4:45 roughly. Let's see, 4:52. I'm looking at the clock on the video area. She borrowed my Kelly's Heroes. I gave her 2 Blu-rays, cat litter, 40 pounds of cat litter, 24 pounds of Friskies, cat toys, her Zoa birthday card, and 2 Blu-rays that I had duplicates of. So, here we go. Here is something that came in the mail. Landfill disposal, USD. Our mission here at USD Electronics Recycling is to fight this problem by reselling, refurbishing, or responsibly recycling donated goods. Why don't they donate it to me for free? I could use the money. All right. We have here, what's funny, they talk about recycling donated goods, then they sent me stuff in styrofoam. Go figure that one out. That's, you know, this stuff, I don't know what, I never know what to do with this. Do you recycle this or throw it in the garbage and that wind up in the ocean? Alright, we have here, this, I will do a video on this. This is what this is. This is what this is. I was not expecting to get this quickly. And I will do a video when these unboxing videos are done. Now I get more bubble wrap. This is the power cord. Put that aside. And I needed a box to put all this loose crap all over the place. I have this huge Amazon box that we left downstairs. But now I've got a small box. I got all this paperwork floating around here. I got to pick it up. Now I got something to put it in for temporary. Okay, and then this. There goes the empty box. This is more bubble wrap that I have to tear apart. Oh, Lord. If I use a sharp knife, I'll cut the hell out of my fingers. Alright, this is the cut cable. This is part of Mac Retro Computing. This is the power supply. If you can believe this, this thing is huge. This is the power supply for my studio display. And it says DVI to ADC adapter. This is before they came out with HDMI. And this is what you had to hook up your monitor to be able to see the monitor. Because Apple decided to put everything in one cable. And you could only do this if you attached that to the monitor and that to the back of the Mac Mini and this this is the power brick. This is unbelievable. This is bigger almost than the Mac Mini or my Airport Extreme. I mean, this thing is huge. And it must weigh a couple of pounds at least when you factor in all the cables. Look at this thing. But this is, you know, 2005 technology. A year later or so, they got rid of the DVI and went to HDMI. So, alright, there goes the box. That's that one. So I will power up the Mac Mini tonight for the first time. So you'll get to see the Mac Mini in action, and we'll see how that works. Alright, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and this has been another episode of Burgh Unboxing. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool out there as the case may be, and stay safe, and I hope you stay cool, because I'm dying in here. Bye-bye for now. I keep pushing on the mouse thinking I'm going to control the MacBook. This is where my money goes. That was, I don't know, $30, $35. I'd have to look it up. Bye-bye for now.